Righto, today on Chem Tools we're going to look at something that we take for granted not only in everyday life but in every workshop as well. Dirty hands. So we look at the Chem Tools Kleanitize Heavy Duty Hand Cleaner. This highly recommended hand cleaner for both workshops and manufacturing facilities is an industrial strength solvent-free hand cleaner that not only cleans the toughest build-ups of dirt, grease and oil, but also a huge range of heavy metals without causing any dryness or cracked nails, and easily washes away without any build-up in your sink or your drains. This hand cleaner is available in a number of different sizes. Your handy 500ml squeeze bottle, 2.5 litre pump bottle, 5 litre pump bottle, and a 20 litre drum, available in either citrus or mint to neutralise and remove those terrible workshop odours, while also killing a broad range of bacteria and germs that build up on your hands. So next time you have dirty hands, don't just take it for granted with any old hand cleaner. Make sure you check out the Chem Tools Heavy Duty Hand Cleaner.